Do most people even think of the Philippines as a maritime and archipelagic nation? Do they know what a blue economy is?
It is not given priority. We are thinking of all sorts of other priorities sa ating ekonomiya, but fisheries, we take it for granted. Maybe it's because we're surrounded by the ocean and we think it's not a part of the economy that can be a vital and big part of it.
Hindi lahat ng climate change kasalanan ng Pilipinas. Maraming factors, no? Kaya nagbabago ang climate. Pero ang karagatan, ang coastal environment naapektuhan. Sea level rise. Nagkakaroon ng mga pagtaas ng temperature. So therefore, yung mga ating mga halaman at ating mga organism maapektuhan sa climate change. Ngayon, kung tayo pangangalagaan natin yung ating mga biodiversity dyan, yung ating marine resources, makakatulong tayo na labanan yung climate change na yan. Kasi nandun pa rin yung mga mangroves, mga seagrass, para tulungan tayo panatiliin yung kalusugan ng karagatan.